Most sales directors think a better database is the answer. They're wrong. The manual database is dead. If your team is spending more time updating fields than talking to leads, your CRM isn't a tool, it's a bottleneck. Your software should be closing deals, not creating data entry jobs for your expensive A players. We've audited the sales stacks of over 50 high-growth B2B agencies this year. The pattern is clear. The winners aren't using organized CRMs. They're using autonomous systems that handle the grunt work in the background. In 2026, if you're still manually moving a lead from discovery to proposal, you're losing money to the competition. Today, I'm showing you why the traditional CRM model is killing your conversion rate. And I'll give you the 3 specific tools, including the new autonomous evolutions of HubSpot and Pipedrive, that turn your pipeline into a self-driving sales machine. Let's dive in. Look at your CRM right now. It's not a sales tool, it's a digital filing cabinet. You've spent thousands on licenses. You've spent hundreds of hours training your team to keep it updated. But here is the truth, your team hates it. They view the CRM as a chore, a tax they pay to management, so what happens? They stop updating it. Data goes stale, leads go cold, and you're making strategic decisions based on a database that is effectively a lie. This is the manual database trap. In 2026, if your sales rep is manually typing, followed up via email into a notes field, you are losing money. Every second they spend updating a row is a second they aren't closing a deal. The friction is killing your velocity. The old way was, input data, analyze data, then take action. But that loop is too slow. By the time the data is clean, the lead has already signed with your competitor. Your CRM isn't helping you scale. It's acting as a bottleneck. It's time to stop managing databases and start managing revenue. Stop thinking about where you store your data. Start thinking about who manages it. The winner in 2026 isn't a better database. It's an autonomous engine. You don't need a place to keep notes. You need a system that executes the sales process for you. Let's break down the 3 tools winning the autonomous war. First, HubSpot. HubSpot has stopped being a CRM and started being an AI-orchestrated growth platform. In the past, you'd manually move a lead from qualified to proposal. Now, HubSpot's autonomous agents analyze intent signals. They see a lead visit your pricing page 3 times in an hour and automatically trigger a personalized outreach sequence. It doesn't just track the lead, it predicts the close. For B2B sales directors managing large teams, this eliminates the data entry tax that kills rep productivity. Next, Pipedrive. Pipedrive is for the operators who hate bloat. If HubSpot is the ecosystem, Pipedrive is the precision tool. In 2026, Pipedrive has evolved beyond the Kanban board. It's now about intelligent triggers. Instead of your reps guessing who to call, Pipedrive tells them exactly who is at risk and why. It identifies patterns in your winning deals and forces your team to follow that exact blueprint. It removes the guesswork. It turns every junior rep into a top performer by automating the how of the sale. Finally, for agency owners, there is only one real choice: go high level. GHL isn't just a CRM, it's a business in a box. The magic here is snapshots. Why spend weeks building a lead gen funnel when you can deploy a pre-built, autonomous system in one click? GHL automates the entire front end. Lead capture, AI-driven appointment booking, and the nurture sequence, all without you touching a single button. While other CRMs just store the lead, GHL captures, nurtures, and books the lead onto your calendar while you sleep. Here is the bottom line. If your team is still manually updating lead status columns, you are losing money. You're paying high-salary talent to be data entry clerks. The shift to autonomous CRMs isn't a luxury, it's a survival requirement for 2026. Now the real question: which one actually moves the needle for your specific business? If you're scaling a complex B2B operation, HubSpot is the gold standard. Their new autonomous agents don't just track leads, they qualify them while you sleep. For those who live and die by the pipeline, Pipedrive remains the most intuitive choice. It strips away the noise so your team actually closes deals instead of updating spreadsheets. And for agency owners, go high level is the only answer. It replaces your CRM, your email marketing, and your funnel builder in one single spot. The result: less manual entry, more high-ticket closes, and a business that runs without you micromanaging the data. I've put the direct links to all three in the description below. If you're tired of your CRM killing your sales, pick the one that fits your stage and start automating today.